How's it going, guys? I know I've made a few other videos of this, printing face masks for the coronavirus. Since, I guess today my wife and I went to Costco, and they don't let you in, at least here in Arizona, they don't let you in without a mask. So I'm printing some of these face masks, and a lot of people are buying them, so that's great. And it's just kind of fun to watch this go around in circles as it's printing it, but it's kind of annoying to hear it, especially on my bigger printers because they're louder and it sounds like it's trying to play a song or something as it's going in circles. I'll just let it do it for a second. It uses the filament pretty fast, actually. I mean, obviously it just keeps on going and going, but I like this little King Rune brand printer that I got on Amazon for, I think it was like $175. I believe the price went up a little bit by now, and I'm pretty sure the price has gone up since last year. I think I saw some videos and stuff about how they were about $125, but I think it's still worth the price that I paid for it. I have had to take it apart and reassemble it several times because of different issues like the thermometer and stuff, which I guess might be called a thermistor, I can't remember. Whatever. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and we will see you in the next one.